I love creating fuller lips. For me, I have none. So it is a trick that I've had to master over the years. If you want to create something more natural looking, but you want your lips to be slightly bigger and larger and poutier, I'm going to show you the tricks that I love to use. So everybody says, oh, you need a lip liner. No, you don't. You just need the Simply Nam lipsticks to create a fuller, poutier lip. So guys, I'm starting by using the shade Priyanka. It is one of the Simply Nam's best selling shades till date. And I'm going to create an entire lip shape with my Priyanka first. So I will start from the center at the bottom. I like to just give a soft smile so that my lips are stretched out. So I have a pretty decent bottom lip, but my top lip is non-existent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, take out the excess product off the tip of my brush. I'm going to give myself a small little pout, and I'm going to create my cupid's bow. So this is your cupid's bow. So I'm going to push my brush out. And I'm going to create a slightly larger lip shape than I actually have. I'm just going to again continue pouting. And I'm going to join from the bottom corner to my cupid's bow on both sides. I like to keep going in and dipping again so that my product is fresh. So you can actually see how I've enlarged the top lip of mine. I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom slightly. A lot of times people make mistakes. Don't worry, just keep a cotton bud handy and go and clean out any excess lipstick anywhere else. I can go and tap off any excess product anywhere. Okay, so that's my basic lip shape. And now I'm going to use the shade Shikha to give myself slightly more poutier looking lips. Just in the center, smack my lip, go around my cupid's bow, down the middle at the bottom, take my cotton bud, and I'm just going to tap. So this way, I get beautiful, sexy, pouty lips.